So this is what we looked at before, is where to configure your ring deployment. This is where you go to look at ring deployments that are running. So whether you configure ring deployment or not, this will show up here, because think of this as this is the area where status is going to come in. So if you're not running any ring deployment configurations, this will be blank. If you are running ring deployments, then this will show you each of those ring deployments so you can drill in and see what's going on. So if we go into this test ring deployment here, we can see the devices that are in there. So in this case, I can see devices across all rings, and I can even focus on, okay, these are the devices in test. These are the devices in early adopter or in production. And I could even go in and say, oh, hey, we've had some problems with this, Win 11-2 system. We don't want them in pilot anymore. Let me take that one and move it to production instead. So a couple of our expanding features for ring deployment, we're going to be bringing device groups and other things in here to be able to set up a set of rules that will more auto-assign machines across your different rings. And when we expand to be able to do more rings, you'll see those being able to expand out here as well. You can also see a device or a patch level state in here. So I can see, all patches that have run through all rings. I can see patches that are just running through test. And I can see those patches and if they've reached promotion or not. So in this case, this Firefox and this Windows 10 update have both reached that promoted status. If I was running into an issue, like right now, these two are being assessed. So they haven't reached their threshold to determine if they're going to promote or not. I can even go in here and I can select one and I can choose to promote it to the next ring just to push it along if I feel like it's ready to go. So in a case where we have not promoted a patch, this Apache Tomcat update failed to promote, if we went troubleshot the issue and we found we resolved it, we can come in here, find that package then, and this is where you promote it to the next ring to get it to start carrying back on. Otherwise, it won't try to be redeployed until the next maintenance window, or if I put an exception place, not at all. So this experience here is where you go in to monitor the ring deployments as they're running and be able to look back historically on that. You can also see, what's the configuration of this particular ring. It gives kind of a nice breakdown of test ring, what are the criteria that I set, when it's going to start, what's the soak time that I gave it, the projection end date. So I'll know, hey, I should come in here and check things before July 12th to make sure that, I know what's going on. That way promotion succeeds. And if there's anything I needed to dig into more, I'd know which items those were and be able to troubleshoot that. The surveys as well, that level of the configuration will be shown here, and it'll show you how many responses are coming through and if things are getting promoted there as well. So again, patch level promotion is the default success criteria. If you turn on the surveys, that's overall promotion, because if the survey goes horribly wrong, we don't know which patch it is. We're stopping the whole segment from moving forward and giving you time to troubleshoot that.